What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jordan back with another banger. Today we're out here at the Waterpark. So yeah. Alright, just follow along with me today and we're gonna have a good day. Y'all see I gotta represent.
Hey y'all, it's Mariah here. Make sure y'all go follow me at Life with Mariah.
Yep, what's
we
up?
At the Waterpark. Big perk. Girl.
Okay, Vita. Y'all, we
and follow me on Instagram at Love for Mariah. LUBFOEMARIAH_. Bye y'all.
Alright, so y'all, I'm gonna introduce y'all to the fam today. So today we got my older sister.
Period.
Yeah. And then we got my god sister right here, Asia, my best friend. Yeah. Then we got my sister right here, Mariah. Make sure y'all follow her. She shout out her thing. And then we got my older sister right here, Vita. She about to be 18 in a month. So then we got my brother right here, Kashmir. Alright y'all, so we're in line waiting to go in. It's a long line. We got here kind of early, so we're kind of in the front. But y'all remember in my previous video when I told you I worked at the YMCA for the summer? And basically I just saw like 3 of my campers who I worked with, four of my campers who I worked with, and they were so excited to see us. Oh yeah, I'm like, hey, I guess I'm getting some publicity. You know what I mean, publicity. Whatever.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Basically, y'all know what I was trying to say. Publicity. Publicity. Yeah, y'all know what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. By the way, just
Coco! Is it a drop? Is it another drop? Coco, we're slowing down. Coco! Wait! Oh my god. Y'all, we just got off the V-Crets, y'all. Bro, that ride was scary, man.
I got on it too, but
yo, I am never getting on that ride again. I don't know what's up with that ride. Yo, those rides we went on was crazy, bro. So right now we're about to go to the lazy river. We're about to chill for a minute, and then after we're gonna go eat. We're gonna go get some food and then maybe something to drink. So yeah, bro, look at going to lazy river. We about to chill, you know, have some fun, and yeah, bro. I hope there's no like them little things that be flashing on you. Yeah, she vlogging, y'all. Alright, so y'all, I just got done eating, but before I ate, I took a long nap, y'all. I slept for like, I don't know how long, it's like 10 minutes I slept. But I had a headache, y'all, so I had to go to bed. But now I'm in the wave pool, y'all. As you can see, the waves, I'm in the wave pool. So yeah, I don't know where my sister is right now, but I'm about to go. Alright y'all, so right now I'm going back on the lazy river with my mom and my sister and brothers. So I might take some clips from there. And yeah, just stay tuned, y'all. Tell them what you're gonna do on the lazy river.
just chill, you know, hang with my brother right here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got my tube right here. This way?
Yeah, let me hold my around.
The railing? What? Oh, the railing? Why you need to hold the railing? Oh. Yo, this water is mad warm though. Alright y'all, so I'm about to push him off the tube. He's not gonna expect it, but y'all watch this. Y'all, he's right here chilling. I don't know if y'all can see it, but he right there. I'm about to flip him off. Yeah, you thought you was slit, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Alright YouTube, so right now I just ordered a burger and I'm waiting for my order to come. So I ordered a cheeseburger platter. It came up to $11, not that bad, but I'm waiting for my order to come out, and yeah, y'all tell y'all what I got, and then I'm What's up YouTube? It's currently the next day right now. It is 12 something right now, 12:59 I think, and I just woke up, y'all. I'm tired. You know, in the previous clips you saw that we had a blast yesterday, you know, out having a good time with the family, and yeah, now I gotta get ready for work tomorrow, and I'm gonna be so tired, but you know, I gotta push through. And yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and make sure you share this video with a friend, because why not, you know. Run my views up, and yeah, see y'all in the next video. Peace.